Hi everyone, today we are there in Bandra West at 36 Road. This is the masterpiece which we have came to introduce you guys. Shanti Sadan, made by Mant Reality. The name itself says it all. You can see the gate is automated and there's a guy to look after for this thing. And you can see the structure. It's a earthquake resistant RCC structure. You can see the garden. There your kids can play. There's a valet parking available and there's always a concierge available for your help. We are just entering the air conditioned entrance lobby, beautifully done up with a waiting lounge. You can see you can have a general meeting of yours if you don't want your client to come up at your place due to COVID and all. So you can have a meeting of yours in this lobby itself. There's a two elevator, one this side, one that side. Now I'll take you to my best part. You can see it's a completely equipped gym and people are doing gym, so we should not disturb this, guys. We'll go to the other part of the building. Life is all about making the right connection to the right people, the right neighborhood. Shanti Sadan is perfectly located to offer you all that. Now I'll take you to Kids Play area, open landscape garden. But before that, I have to show you. You can see this automated car parking right in front of you. You can see there's a 3 car parking available with this flat, which I'm gonna just take you up after showing you this garden. You can see it's a lovely space for the kids to play, have fun, enjoy. You can see the back side of the building. Now you guys must be in hurry to go up and have a look at the flat. Let's go. We are right up there. You can see it's a 1 floor, 1 flat. This portion also belongs to you, and there is a terrace also which you will be having an access. So you guys can use this place also along with this flat. So we are just entering the massive, large hookah size of this drawing room. You can see the sunlight. You don't even require a light in this flat. There is so much of light and the sunlight directly coming from the west. You can see from Bandra, whole Bandra from here. There's a lovely view, sunset always available from this drawing room. Now I'll just take you to the left hand side where there's 1 bedroom and common washroom right at this side, and this side there is a kitchen which I'll show you after showing you the view from this bedroom. You can see the view from here. Though there's a building which has came up, but there is no obstruction of the view from anywhere from this flat. So this is a common washroom area, and I'll just take you to the kitchen portion. You can design the kitchen. This is the kitchen area and you can make it the way you want to make the kitchen. Now before taking you to the right hand side, I would like to show you the floor plan of the 3 BHK available at the right hand side. One is the master with a walk-in wardrobe. Now I'll just show you the flat which is currently available in the raw condition. Now I'll just show you the view from this master bedroom. This master bedroom also facing the west. You can see ample of light coming out from the sun. So this is a walk-in wardrobe with an attached washroom. This portion which you guys have seen in the floor plan, there will be a washroom coming up over here, and this portion will be a walk-in wardrobe portion. Now I'll just take you to the next bedroom which is just close to this one. You can see this border. This will be your bedroom with an attached washroom. You can see there will be a washroom coming up. So the place where I'm standing, this will be the last one. This also have an attached washroom. I'll just take you to the washroom. There will be a washroom coming up. So to be honest, this is a very large spacious 4 BHK with a carpet area of 2, 4, 3, 5 plus a refuge terrace of 372. For more detail, do contact us.